So the next time you're having a one-to-one, I don't mean sit there with this big, stupid, false grin on your face. That's never, ever going to work. Right, 3 minutes. We know what BNI is. We know that there are lots and lots of different aspects to BNI, and we talk all the time, don't we, about, well, have great one-to-ones and it'll generate more referrals, build referral partners, and so on and so on and so on. But let's just think a minute about one-to-ones. Because we all have them and we think, I'll do more one-to-ones and then I'm bound to get more referrals. But is that always true? No. So is it more about being a little bit smarter with our time so we can get better referrals, we can generate even more money, which means we have even more time so we can go off and do all the wonderful things that we're building our business for? That's certainly the way I look at it. So I thought I'd share with you something that I very often share with clients if I'm looking at how can we get more revenue, how can we get better productivity, how can we get even better results for our business. And it's based on something that I was taught many years ago, which is a sales map. And I'm sure lots of people here will already use a sales map in their business. Different to a funnel, because a funnel obviously goes that way, but a sales map, you start here and you trundle all the way across and ta-ting, the other end. And it's also, you can use this for every single aspect of one-to-ones, your business, anything at all. How can we make it even better? So one-to-ones. Before a one-to-one, how can we make sure the results of our one-to-ones are even better? Gains profile, yes? We can do some research as to what the business is about, the person we're about to meet. We can do all sorts of things, and these are all very logical, tangible things. And we can go, yes, done that, done that, done that, done that. There's very often something that is missed, and it is, how do we feel within the one-to-one? How is the other person feeling in the one-to-one? And if we can start to think about, is the other person a little bit nervous? Have they not met us before? Do they not have any expectations? Do they have grandiose expectations? And we can start to match and mirror what people are feeling. We can eventually get our emotions on the same level. Why is that important? The happier we are in business, the more money we make. It's actually proven. Share all the research with you if you want me to, but honestly, bottom line results show that people who are happier, more joyful in their conversations, their interactions and their business, smile more and will actually make more money. So the next time you're having a one-to-one, I don't mean sit there with this big, stupid, false grin on your face. That's never, ever going to work. But maybe just think, do you know, this person's new to BNI. I know they've not done many one-to-ones before. I wonder how they're feeling. How am I making this person feel? Can I make them feel a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more at ease? How can I do that? Perhaps you can ask them questions about their business first. So it is a genuine one-to-one and not just a one. There's lots and lots of different ways that we can actually put people at ease and actually get them into the right mindset where we can reciprocate and actually help each other to get more from our one-to-ones. If you need any help, you want any ideas, give me a shout. Happy to share.